If your desktop always feels cluttered with too many windows open at once, here's a feature that can completely change the way you work: virtual desktops. Built right into Windows 10 and Windows 11, virtual desktops let you organize tasks, stay focused, and boost productivity. Today, I'll show you how to use virtual desktops like a pro. First, let's talk about what they are. A virtual desktop is like having multiple separate desktops on one computer. You can keep your work apps open on one desktop, entertainment on another, and maybe school or personal projects on a third. Switching between them is smooth and instant, no need to close or minimize windows. So, how do you use them? Press Windows key plus Tab to open Task View. At the top, you'll see an option to create a new desktop. Click it, and voila, you now have a second desktop. You can open different apps on each one, or even move windows between desktops by dragging them in Task View. Here's a pro tip: use keyboard shortcuts for speed. Press Windows key plus Ctrl plus D to create a new desktop instantly. Use Windows key plus Ctrl plus left or right arrow to switch between desktops. And if you're done with one, press Windows key plus Ctrl plus F4 to close it. These shortcuts make multitasking effortless. Another advanced feature is customizing desktops. In Windows 11, you can rename each desktop, set different wallpapers, and keep everything visually organized. For example, you might name one Work, another Gaming, and a third Study. This makes it crystal clear which desktop you're on. Virtual desktops are perfect for anyone who juggles multiple tasks. No more messy screens, no more distractions. Just clean, organized workspaces that help you focus on what really matters. So, if you want to stay organized and work smarter, start using virtual desktops today and master them like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips every week. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.